morning. You already know. I told you. It's a daily grind every day. We up like normal. We up like normal. Early in the morning. Get on this grind. Heading to this 9 to 5, like I said. It's a daily grind every day. I'm the host with the most. We headed to this 9 to 5. I am an electrician by trade, so that's where I'm going at. It's a big bad crash. They say on 95 South, so hopefully I can get through. They said it's at a real standstill. So hopefully the way I'm going, I ain't got nothing to do with what they, you know what I'm saying, where that crash at. And I can get to work. You know, we just coming off this hurricane that's supposed to came through. We was blessed not to get hit. And, you know, we just got to run on some water and some winds and stuff. And, you know, in that particular time, like, you know, blessed nothing happened to Florida, you know what I'm saying? Jacksonville, that's where I stay at, where I come from. Duval, born and raised. And let me tell y'all something, man. Like, an individual came and took advantage of the situation when we was in lockdown and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to be there for our family and be safe. And went rummaged through my truck. It was slipping. My alarm went off. Let me turn this down, man. My alarm went off. And I caught myself hitting it to turn it off. You know what I'm saying? Because it's the only thing beeping. Beep, 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 beep. And I thought I locked my truck back, and I didn't. Somebody rummaged through my truck and stole my power tools. Stole some other stuff that had to do with my pressure washing that I had in the truck, my tips and stuff. It cost me about $400, man. You know, rummaging through somebody. I said it ain't his fault, it's my fault. Because he caught me slipping at the end of the day. That's just my mindset, you know what I'm saying? But we're going to keep pushing, we're going to keep moving, you know. I'm finna get on this road, grab me something to eat from the gate, you know what I'm saying, when I get round up by the shop, and get to the site, and I'll check back in with y'all. You already know, like I said, it's a daily grind every day. I am your host with the most. I can't let y'all hustle me. Let go. Flow looking real nice. As you can see, they buffed this side up. They still got to do the other side. And try something different this time. A two-tone look. Looking real good. All right, check it back in. So right here, this is the lighting for the sign that's going to be outside. Connecting S1, 2, a couple of others. This is what's going to be the challenging part. We got 2, 1, getting up there. All I can see is a ladder up there. Boom. For the box. So I have to come around, 90 up to this one, coming to this box. That's going to flow into these, all on the same circuit. As you were told. Make sure you watch the step, baby. Going to get more pipe and connectors. Matter of fact, you go connect this. I'm gonna go get the pipe. We'll tag team, and I'll check back in with y'all. It's a daily grind every day, because every day is a hustle. While we got a little time, I'm gonna take a pause for the calls and advertise to y'all any pressure washing or lawn care needs. Hit us up at any time at LB Power Washing Solutions and Lawn Care. You can even dial 904-335-9787. You can see that we have several services for lawn care. We even have a link at the bottom of the page to the power washing. You can see the services that we provide, like soft wash, roof cleaning, deck cleaning and patio, even garbage bin cleaning. Contact us at any time at 904-335-9787. Everybody working as usual. You see they got the truck out there. They're doing the parking lot, the curbs and everything. Now what I'm finna do is just show y'all a couple of the things that we're doing in the inside. Let you know this project is moving along. It's come a long way, and we still got a lot more to go. This is the end of this video. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It's a daily grind every day. And I'm out.